So if the direction cosines of two lines satisfy the relation L plus M is equal to N and L square plus M square equal to N square, and alpha is the angle between them, then value of sin raised to 4 alpha plus cos raised to 4 alpha is what N. So they given here L plus M is equal to N here. Take this one as equation number 1. Then L square plus M square is equal to N square here. Take this one as equation number 2 here. Okay. So we know that L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1 here. It is a standard result here. From equation 2 here, L square plus M square is N square here. So use here N square plus N square is equal to 1 here. It is from equation number 2. Therefore 2N square is equal to 1 here. Therefore N square is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore N is equal to 1 divided by root 2. N is equal to 1 by root 2. So use this value. Okay, here. Therefore from 2 here, from equation 2, so L square plus M square is equal to 1 divided by 2x. 1 by root 2 square becomes 1 upon 2. L square plus M square is equal to 1 divided by 2. Next square here also from 1. So from 1 here, L plus M is equal to 1 divided by root 2 here. So take this one as equation number 3 here, and this one as equation number 4. Squaring equation 4 here. Squaring equation 4 on both sides here. So we get L square plus M square plus 2L into M is equal to 1 by root 2 square is 1 by 2. 1 upon 2. But here L square plus M square is what here? 1 by 10. So use here. Okay. So 1 upon 2 plus 2L into M is equal to 1 divided by 2 here. From equation number 3. This is from 3. Just replace L square plus M square by 1 by 2. Then this 1 upon 2, this 1 by 2 get cancels here. 2L into M is equal to 0. Therefore Lm is equal to 0. Or I can write L is equal to 0 or M is equal to 0. Suppose L value is 0. Okay, substitute here. Okay, or in equation 4. If L is equal to 0, then okay, M is equal to what here? M is equal to 1 divided by root 2. If M is equal to 0, substitute here. If M is equal to 0, then L is equal to 1 divided by root 2. Okay, so these two are from equation 4. From equation number 4. Put L value 0 here. M is 1 by root 2. If M is a 0, then L becomes 1 by root 2 here. Therefore, here L1 is equal to, if L1 is a 0, then M1 is 1 by root 2 here, and N1 is this here, 1 by root 2. Then the L2 is this one here, 1 divided by root 2 here. Then M2 is this 0. M2 becomes a 0, and N2 is equal to this 1 by root 2. 1 upon root 2. So these two are what here? These are direction cosines of two lines here. Direction cosines of two lines. Okay. Therefore, cos of alpha is equal to what here? L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 is equal to 0 cos of alpha, because they are already given here. Alpha is what here? Alpha is the angle between the two lines here. Hence cos of alpha is this here. So this equal to L1 into L2 means 0 into this becomes 0. M1 into 1 by root 2 into 0 becomes 0, and N1 into not equal to 0. N1 into N2 becomes 1 by 2 here. Therefore this is equal to 1 divided by 2 here. Is equal to 1 by 2. Here we want this value. Therefore sin raised to 4 alpha plus cos raised to 4 alpha is equal to sin raised to 4 alpha can be written as 1 minus of cos square alpha raised to 2 here plus cos raised to 4 alpha. Okay, sin square is 1 minus cos square here. So sin square raised to 2. So sin square is 1 minus cos square raised to 2 here plus cos raised to 4. Cos alpha value is 1 by 2 here. Therefore this becomes 1 minus 1 divided by 4, it's a square here plus then 1 upon 2 raised to 4 here. That is equal to, here 4 ones are 4. So 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 by 4 square. 3 by 4 square is 9 divided by 16 plus 1 by 2 raised to 4 becomes 1 divided by 16 here. It is 10 divided by 16. Then 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are here. So 5 by 8. Second option is correct. Yes. 5 divided by 8. So find the projection of OP on the plane passing to the 3 points A, B and C, where P is the point 2 minus 1 0. Consider, so this is a plane here. The plane are passing to 3 points A, B and C here, and this is a vector OP. Okay, OP passing to the point 2 minus 1 0, they are already given here. Then it's a projection on this plane here. Then we want to find this projection here, OB. Means consider OP is parallel to OA. Okay. Then if OP is given vector here, then OA is the vector parallel to this one here. If OP makes angle alpha with the plane, then OA also makes angle theta here with the plane only, because here this one and this one both are parallel. If both vectors are parallel, then these angles are same. These two angles are same. If a vector makes angle theta with the plane here, then this also vector makes the same angle theta with the plane here. Then here projection of OP is OB, as well as the projection of OA is same OB only. Therefore, in this case, first to find the equation of the plane here. So equation of the plane passing through A, B and C is passing through the points A, B and C is a determinant of x minus x1 is 2x, y minus y1 is 1, then z minus of z1 is 3, then x2 minus x1 here, then 3 minus 2x, 3 minus 2, then 2 minus 1, so right here 2 minus 1 here, then 1 minus 3, 1 minus 3, then take here 2 minus 2 here, so 2 minus of 2, then 4 minus 1 here, so 4 minus 1, then 2 minus 3, so 2 minus of 3, that is equal to 0. You are using the formula x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 is equal to 0. Then x minus 2, determinant of x minus 2, y minus 1, z minus 3. 3 minus 2 gives 1 here. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 3 is a minus of 2. Then 2 minus 2 becomes a 0. 4 minus 1 is a 3 here. And 2 minus 3 gives a minus of 1, that is equal to 0. Then expand the determinant here. So x minus 2 here. Then into 1 into minus 1 is a minus 1 minus 3 2s are 6 here. Minus minus become plus 6. Minus of 5 minus 1 into minus 1 is a minus 1 minus 0 into minus 2 becomes a 0. Then a plus z minus 3 here. Z minus 3 into 1 into 3 becomes a 3 minus of 0 into 1 becomes a 0. That is equal to 0. Then 6 minus 1 is 5. Take 5 inside here. It is a 5x minus of 10. Minus become plus here. So plus y minus 1. Then 3 into z becomes 3z minus of 9 is equal to 0. Therefore 5x here. 5x. Then plus y. Plus 3z here. Plus 3z and minus 10. Minus 1. Minus 11. Minus 11 minus 10 minus of 20 here. Minus of 20 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the plane here. This is the equation of the plane. Then here this is a vector OP here, and OP bar is equal to, and the vector OP bar is equal to 2i minus j here plus 0k, because the point 2 minus 1 0, therefore vector OP is given by 2i minus j plus 0k. Angle between the vector and the plane here. Okay, angle between vector OP bar means line OP bar and plane is sine of theta. So sine theta is equal to minus modulus of, so 2 into 5. Okay, 2 into 5 plus minus 1 into 1 here. Minus 1 into 1 plus then 0 into 3 here. 0 into 3 minus of 20 here. Minus of 20 modulus of complete here divided by then root of so 2 square is a 4 here, and minus 1 square is a 1 here, plus 1, 0 square is a 0, then root of 5 square is a 25, then 1 square is a 1 here, plus 1, and 3 square is a 9 here. Okay, so angle between the line and the plane is this here. Now you simplify it. So this is equal to 5 2s are 10, then 1 1s are 1 here, minus of 1 here, then it becomes 0, minus of 20 here, divided by, then it is a root of 5, root of 5 into, then root of 9 plus 1 is 10, 35, root of 35. Then 10 minus 20 minus 10 here, minus 10 minus 1 is minus of 11 here, minus 11 divided by root of 5 into root of 35. Okay, in this case okay. So in the numerator, you not take a minus 20 here. Okay, you stop here only, not take a minus 20. Okay, therefore not take minus 20 here. So 10 minus 1 becomes a 9 here. This is a 9. Therefore this equal to 9 divided by root of 5 into root of 35 means root of 5 into root of 7 here. That is 9 divided by 5 root 7 here. 9 upon 5 root 7. This is a sin theta. This is a sin of theta. Here we want this projection OB here. Here OP is the vector. Its projection is OB here. Then OA is parallel to OP here. So this angle is theta here. So theta is angle between line and the plane here. Therefore, in this case, from the triangle OAB here, cos of theta. Okay. So cos theta is equal to OA divided by OB here. OA divided by OB. Then in the OB upon adjacent divided by hypotenuse here. So OB divided by OA. Take OA this side here. So OB is equal to OA into cos of theta. In this case, here this vector is root 5. OB is equal to root 5. OA is also root 5. Therefore, OB is equal to root of 5 into cos of theta. Cos theta is the root of 1 minus of sin square theta. Cos theta formula root of 1 minus sin square theta, and OB is equal to OA. Here OP is equal to, okay, here OP is equal to OA is equal to root of 5. Okay, both vectors are parallel, so we can write OA is equal to root 5. Therefore, root of 5 into root of 1 minus sin square here. So sin theta is this here. It's a square here. 9 square is 81 divided by 5 square is 25. 25 into root 7 square is 7 here. Therefore, this equal to root of 5. Root 5 into root of 25 into 7 here. 25 into 7. 175. So 175 is the LCM here. 175 1 is 175 minus of 81 here. 175 minus of 81 here. So 94 here. Therefore, it is equal to root of 5 into square root of, okay, root 175 minus of 81. 94 here. So 94 divided by 175. Therefore, this is equal to root of 5 into root of 94 divided by 175 means 25 into 7 here. 25 into 7. Therefore, this is equal to, okay, so this is equal to root of 5, and here 7 ones are 7 here. Then 7 ones are 7. 24 is there. You can't divide here. So write as it is. Root of 94 divided by 7, and here root of 25 is 5 here. Is a 5. So here root 5 upon 5 is so 1 by root of 5 into root of 94 divided by 7. Take this root 5 inside means it is the root of 94 divided by 7 5 is 35. So I think it is 94 here. It is not 44. It is 94 here. Therefore, first option is correct here. Root of 94 divided by 35 is the correct one. Okay, because here 70 25 7s are 175. 175 1s are 175 minus of 81. 175 minus 81 gives 94 divided by 175. 175 is 125 to 7. Then square root of 25 is 5, and you can't divide here. So root 24 by 7 keep as it is here. Then root 5 upon 5 means it is only root 5. Take root 5 inside, means take 5 inside here. The square root of 7 5 is 35. So root 94 divided by 35. Root of 94 upon 35. I think it is not 44, it is 94 here. Okay.